Hello, my name is Lilian and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make juicy, voluminous cornrows to wear under your wigs or just to wear as a protective style. So if you want to see that, keep watching. But first, before we go into the video, if you're not subscribed to my channel already, make sure you subscribe right now. Hit the subscribe button and also hit the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I upload new videos. So without any more talking, let's get into it. So I'm starting on freshly washed and detangled hair. I washed my hair and detangled, applied shea butter and all that, and put it in cornrows. In braids. I have a total of 6 braids. 2 here, 2 in the middle, then 2 on this side. So I'm going to just start by installing the braids. I'm not going to remove all the braids at once because there's no point since I'm going to be doing one. So I'll remove these 2 first, then do the cornrows here, then remove these 2, continue like that until I get to this point. This will help to make sure that I don't run out of hair at the back when I get to the side. So I'm going to put the rest of the braids up here. My hair is still wet. I washed my hair I think about 2 hours ago or so my hair is pretty wet. So yeah, now that I'm done removing the braids, I'm going to go ahead and start doing the cornrows. I'm doing I won't say medium size, small cornrows. So I'm going to be parting my hair with a rattle comb. When I want to part my hair, I usually use the rattle comb that has a metal tail, but I cannot find it, so that's why I'm using this one. As you're parting your hair, you want to try to make sure that the parts in front, the section of hair in front is a little bit wider than that at the back, because for most people the front is wider than the back, so that you don't run out of hair when you get to the back, when you get to this side. I've said it before on my channel, but I just feel like I should say it again. Now, if you do not know how to make cornrows, then you want to pay attention. So like I said before, I already applied shea butter on my hair, so my hair isn't my hair is moisturized right now and it's also damp. So now I'm just gently going over my hair again to make sure that I remove any tangle that I may have missed while I was detangling before. If you're new to my channel, I do not use a comb. I hardly use a comb to detangle my hair, so that's why I'm doing this. So now the next thing I do is take the section of hair just take a piece of hair in front, right, divide it into 3 equal parts, and then start to braid. How you make cornrows is that you're braiding normally, but as you're braiding, you're picking hair from the rest of the hair and braiding. I hope you guys understand what I'm trying to say. So you're picking hair, braiding. braid. So as I'm braiding, I'm trying to braid a little bit easy to give it more body. That's the trick to making your hair look thicker than how it actually is. So I braid when I have like this much hair. Then if you want, you can twist the rest, but if you want, you can just twirl it around your finger. This will help unraveling. This will just make it easier for you to unravel when it's time for you to take down the strap. So twirl, 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 twirl until when it's coiled. This is what it looks like. So let me do this one more time. Take a section, a piece of hair in front, divide into 3 parts, and then start to braid. But as you're braiding, you're picking hair from the rest of the hair as you move along. And as you're braiding the ends, you're braiding a little bit loose to make it look bigger and thicker. So braid until I have this much hair, then I twirl the rest around my finger. Now because my hair is damp right now, I'm going to have a little bit more shrinkage than normal. So if you want to show off more length, then you should probably stretch your hair and do it on dry hair, or do dry your hair before you do the style. So I'm done with like the first third of my hair. So this is what it looks like. Now to buy myself some length, I'm going to go ahead and band this part that I've already done, just to stretch it a little bit while it dries. I'm not stretching it all the way to the ends because I want the ends to remain like this kind of coil, so I'm not going to stretch it to the ends. So I'm done doing all my hair. So I banded the hair at the back just to help it stretch a little bit because I don't want my hair to be too short. So now I'm going to go ahead and oil my scalp. I'm going to be using the Jamaican black castor oil. So this is what it looks like. Now I'm just going to go ahead and put some hair accessories in my hair. I do not have anyone handy right now, so I'm going to be using my earrings. If you follow me on Instagram, then you know that I normally usually use my jewelry on my hair as hair accessories. So that's what I'm going to be doing now. I have like 2 pairs of studs. So one love stud and another like ring like stud. So I'm just going to be inserting that into my hair. I don't want to do too much, that's why I'm putting only 2. So I'm just putting 2 on each side. So I'll just put the stud into my hair and then put the hook on it to prevent it from falling. If you want, you can put more. It just make your hair pop a little more. So because I'm wearing like big earrings, I'm not doing too much in my hair. Like on other days when I'm wearing stud, I'm going to put more stud in my hair. So this is what it looks like. Let me give you guys the back view. So that brings us to the end of this video. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed to my channel already, make sure you subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.